morning, guys. Today's gonna be a day in the life vlog. We are running late, so let's go. Come on, we're going to Sam's Club, Kohl's, and I think that's it for outing, and then we'll come back. Hopefully I can beat the rain and try to do a little outside pool time for the boys, so we'll see. Not this one. All right, put it in the cart. Careful. Oh gosh, good job.
She was. Oh.
And Joshua. Okay, boys.
All right. All that. Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
All right. 10. Okay.
Hey.
You want this one? You want your own? Use something else. Same one as your brother. Yeah. Joshua, it's the same one. Oh, good job. You pressed it. I kind of like this one, Michael. That's that, Michael. Yeah. Ooh, it has the numbers too. Yeah. CVC words. Yeah, I like this. Once we made it home from Sam's Club, pretty much everyone decided to take a nap, and I took full advantage of that. I took the time to work on my Father's Day gift for my husband. I started this tradition when we became like parents, or when he became a dad to Michael. I like to make personalized shirts for them to match and take pictures of that day on Father's Day. So I was just kind of working on that, and I really wanted to make sure I get that done this year, because last year I couldn't do my tradition because I was just so sick being pregnant with Joshua. So I really wanted to take that time to work on them. Going to insert some pictures of how they turned out. I worked so hard on trying to get the best pictures I could, but you know, if you have kids, how difficult that could be. So I think these were two decent ones I was able to capture. Once we were done taking pictures, the boys were enjoying lunch inside, and I decided to start setting up the water activity that I had planned for that day. I did have to clean that little pool for some time because it was sitting in our garage since last summer, so I had to put some Dawn soap and, wash it and rinse it out really good before I can start filling in the water. Do you remember this, Michael? The last time we did this, you were so small. Water? Oh, be careful. Umbrella, yeah. Yay, Joshua. Joshua. Oh no. Joshua.
Right in the face.
You okay? Yeah.
All right.
Aww. Dada and his boys. Water, yeah. A. B. Having fun, Michael? See the letters and the fish. What was that? What word was that? Ball? It's a ball? Whoa! Having fun? Hey, Michael. Hi. Hi, Michael. Having fun, Joshua? Water.
All right, you want to take a picture? Want Michael to come over there?
Take a picture. Joshua. Joshua. Look. Dada.